here in St. Thomas. On the Carnival ship. Looks like they still haven't gotten the memo about the Coca-Cola yet. So long, Pepsi. Oh no, don't turn into here. Nope. No turning into here. Go away. Unless you got a bunch of Coke in the back of that and it's just all some deception. Crap. It just stopped. Right here in the Havenside Cruise Terminal in St. Thomas. Why are you even here? Nobody likes you. That van behind you, they're not customers. They're trying to get you out of the parking lot. Look at all these people coming back to the ship. They're not walking towards you. They are walking what is commonly known as away from you because you are Pepsi. And you're just the freaking worst. Sorry. I see you're afraid to get out of the truck. It's entirely like you just don't want people to see that you work for them. And I can understand. You probably got a nice 20-ounce Coca-Cola plastic bottle on your dashboard right now with a picture of some characters from Star Wars on that bottle. Because, you know, it's way better to drink a bottle of Coke with Mon Mothma on it than any Pepsi. Do you remember Crystal Pepsi? That was terrible. Yep, you're associated with that now. It doesn't matter that it went away years ago. Don't be bringing that trash onto this cruise ship. Please.